this video, we will show you how to show a hidden folder on Windows 11. Usually, you need to open the hidden folder on your system to setting some application. To do that, you need to showing the hidden items. For example, in this user on page C, there is content default folder that hidden by Windows. You can showing the hidden items with click this and choose show and showing hidden items. You can see here the default folder is showing now. Okay, this also works if you need to showing file, not only folder here. And sometimes we need with this application or this folder. Okay, that's the tutorial how to show the hidden folder or application or file on Windows 11.